Part 4. What are you trying to say? Photographs are storytelling. They rarely lie. So when you are going to take a photograph, a great thing to try to think about is what you are trying to say. Is this photograph about having fun? Is it about the clothes the person is wearing? Or is it about beautiful architecture? Once you think about that, you can get more specific. Is this architecture about curves? Is it about light? In a portrait, what is this person trying to say? And what kind of lives are they living? You should be able to look at a good photograph and understand the story.